Hi, this is Mr. Cowan here. Today we're going to be practicing our typing. So once you've logged into your computer, you need to come down, click on this blue E, which opens up your web browser. We don't want to type in this search section. You have to come up, click into the address bar. This is where we're going to type the website address. You have to type is.gd/, then in capitals NET underscore, which is shift, and the button next to 0, and then typing TYPING. And when we press enter, that will take us to the web page I created that has some different typing websites that you can use to practice your typing. It takes a little while for this to load up, and then once it's loaded up, you can choose the section you want to go into. And if you're just starting out, the one I suggest you use is this second one here, Game 1. Then when you click on that, you'll get a website that looks kind of like this. It's all grey. So what it says here is select for Adobe Flash. You just have to click the jigsaw piece, and then you'll get a message like this saying that Adobe Flash content was blocked. Do you want to allow it? And we'll say allow once, so we'll allow it for our session on the computer just now. When you do that, it loads up the website, and then this is the game that I'd like you to practice with. So it says, welcome to the keyboard game. Press the key shown in red to score a point. Be careful, press the wrong one and you'll lose a point. Good luck. Click here to start. So I'm just going to click, and getting ready to play this game. Press the space bar to start. That's the big key down the bottom, and here we go. MJO. Oh, I pressed the wrong one and I lost a point. So maybe it's better to be accurate than to be too fast, and you might make a mistake. I'm just going to see if I can get a high score. The challenge will be see if you can beat my score. 28. Okay, so if anyone beats 28, I want to hear about it.